Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add editors and manager to your YouTube channel using a mobile app or browser. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube and click on YouTube Studio from your account. Once YouTube Studio open, click on Setting, then click on the Permission section. For there, use the invite option to add someone as an editor, manager, or viewer by entering their email address and selecting the role. For example, type xyz@gmail.com, choose the access editor, and click done. The person will receive an email invitation. Once they open the email and accept the request, they will be able to work on your channel as an editor. That's how you can easily add editors and manager to your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.